Hi, Janvi. Can you hear me? Hello, Janvi.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Even I'm doing great. Thanks for joining in. And we have Sparsha and Arush with us. So if I give you a first task, will you introduce yourself? Just be, none of you have to be hesitant or shy. No matter, even if I make mistakes, do point it out. All right. So, Janvi, tell me something about yourself. Janvi, can you hear me? Your mic is muted, by the way.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi, would you like to tell something to us about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Where are you from? What do you do? Your purpose of joining this workshop? Okay, I will
Good
ask.
evening, everyone.
Go on, go on.
Hello.
Yes,
My
go on.
name is Janvi Singh. I am from Kolkata.
Mm-hmm.
I am a student of MCOM final year.
All right. So, Janvi, you are from Kolkata.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me tell you one secret. Even I'm also from Kolkata. I'm born and brought up there.
Really?
Yes. So Kolkata.
I am born in Bihar and brought up in Kolkata.
Okay. So the thing is really opposite with me. I was born and brought up in Calcutta. Now after marriage, I'm living in Bihar. Okay. All right. So you're pursuing MCOM.
Yes,
I have completed my masters in commerce, and now I'm into BA, which is like bachelor's in English. So it's like dual bachelors. So we have
ma'am.
Sparsha
Where
with
do you live
us.
in Bihar?
Yes. Yes, I am from Muzaffarpur.
Ma'am, where do you live in Bihar? Okay.
Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So I wanted to be a little more interactive session. Everyone will just
Yes.
unmute yourself and talk to each other. Okay, it's not me only talking to you. It's Janvi talking to Arush and Sparsha talking to Janvi. It should be like that. No matter we are few people, it's good if we are few. Attention will be more. Okay, it is
Yes.
even more easier for me to handle things. Okay. So I know
Okay.
something about Sparsha. She has been in contact with me earlier. Also, she is from Bangalore. And Sparsha, would you like to tell us something more about you? What are you pursuing? Any course? Anything? Sparsha? Sparsha, sorry. Sparsha, are you there? I don't know. She was facing some network issues before. Arush, Arush, will you please introduce yourself? I just said they do not have to be shy or hesitant. Anush, is it you, Ram, Neetu's brother? Just hold on, Janvi. I'm receiving a call. My mistake. They were in the meeting room, waiting room. I did not connect them. Hi, Arush and Sparsha. I am so sorry. My bad. You were there in the waiting room, and I thought that I've already admitted you in the room. I'm so sorry. I was just going on talking to you, like, where are you, Arush? Where are you, Sparsha? Like that. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So we
Okay, ma'am.
were doing sort of introduction session. All right.
Okay.
So we just had a conversation with Janvi and Sparsha. Janvi, will you please introduce yourself again because they were not there?
Okay.
A brief
Hello,
introduction.
everyone. Hello. I'm
One
audible?
one more thing. This has to be a little interactive session, okay? As we are few people here, 4 to 5 people here, we can easily interact with each other. So that it should be more of like a workshop rather than thousands of people there and not connecting with each other. All right. So that is why I'm keeping one introduction session so that we can get along with each other. All right. So yeah, over to you, Janvi.
Hello, everyone. My name is Janvi Singh.
Continue, Janvi.
I born in Bihar and brought up in Kolkata. I am pursuing MCom Part 2 final year.
All right. So you made little mistake here. You did really well with almost no grammatical error. The pronunciation. You said pursuing. It's pursuing. Okay. So
Okay.
even when we are talking, no, this is the very first step. Even when we are talking, no, uh, even if our grammatical mistakes are less, if we do not pronounce nice, I'm not saying that you have to be perfect in anything,
Hmm.
but if you do not sound nice, so it just gives a little bad impression. So little bit
Okay.
focus should be on pronunciation. All right. Arush, will you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My name is Arish Kothari. I'm from Jaipur.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing business
All
in
right.
jewelry line.
Okay, nice. And tell us something about Jaipur.
Uh, ma'am, Jaipur.
Apart from Pink City, tell me anything.
Yes, ma'am. मैम यहाँ का फूड यहाँ की
हिंदी में धीरे धीरे
मैम
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली
You can speak slowly, no issues, and you do not have to say thousands of things. 2 से 3 लाइन, but कोशिश
ओके
करें इंग्लिश में बोलने का.
ओके मैम द फूड इज रियली गुड हियर
ओके, सो अभी जब हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं, आई एम गोइंग लिटिल
यस
बाइलिंगुअल,
मैम
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके. तो जब हम लोग खाना
ओके
खाते हैं, तो ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलते हैं कि खाना बहुत अच्छा था. अगर किसी की तारीफ करनी हो, खाना बहुत अच्छा बना है, तो हम कैसे करते हैं, खाना बड़ा स्वादिष्ट बना था, है ना?
यस मैम
तो वो अच्छा खाना का जो क्या बोलते हैं, उसकी जो मीनिंग हमने एनहांस
डिलीशियस
अच्छी कर दी. तो एक अच्छा वर्ड हमने इस्तेमाल किया ना, स्वादिष्ट. So similarly, when we are
स्वादिष्ट
saying
डिलीशियस
in English, when we are saying in English that the food was good, rather we can say that food was tasty.
ओके
All right. Now continue. So food is very tasty for Jaipur, of
फूड
Jaipur.
इज वेरी टेस्टी ऑफ जयपुर
And what else is very good there?
and
Something
here
about people
places
of
are very good.
people of Jaipur. because I have very good impression. I would like to tell you something about Arush. Arush sister is known to
Okay.
me. Arush sister is known to me, and I have a very good impression of her. So now tell me that how the people of Jaipur are, their behavior, their nature.
So, ma'am, behavior is good and
They are humble.
nature is also good.
Nature is also good.
Yes, I'm humble.
Everything is good for you. दुनिया में सब अच्छा है, कुछ बुरा
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
है. बढ़िया
No,
है.
ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am, call me Priyanka. Okay? Everyone will call me Priyanka.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, when we are talking about people, when we are talking about nature, we have different words. We have different words to explain their meaning. Correct? For people, we can use the word like people are humble here, people are hospitable here. Now, what's the meaning of hospitable? Suppose I visit Jaipur and I'm a guest for you, correct? Now you will serve me delicious foods. You will give me all good ambience there. तो जो मेहमान नवाजी होती है ना, that is called hospitable, correct?
Hospitable.
Hospitable.
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे
Okay,
हॉस्पिटल
Priyanka.
में आना है, मरीजों को पूरा देखभाल करते हैं, वैसे गेस्ट का भी बहुत देखभाल
Okay.
करते हैं. Correct? So to
Okay.
explain people, we can use different adjectives like people are humble, calm, sweet, nice, hospitable, like that. Alright.
Okay.
Now I can see one person joining, that is Galaxy J5 Prime. Any from Samsung company?
Yes.
Could you please tell me your name, Galaxy J5 Prime? Hello. If you can hear me, then please introduce yourself. Tell me your name. Okay, so we are here to speak in English, and if you do not speak, then how are we going to go ahead? Okay, we will come to you later on. Spasha, lastly, actually, you started firstly, but will you introduce yourself to others?
Your mom,
Yeah.
this is Parsha from Bangalore, and I'm a MCOM graduate from the year 2016 to 2018.
Mm-hmm.
Born in Hosur, and my
Okay,
born
Spasha.
in Hosur, and my studies are not there.
Spasha,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think you are facing network issues because even before when you had joined, your voice was cracking. Okay, my voice is
I'm
completely
not able to hear.
my voice is completely audible to you.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right. So Galaxy J5 Prime, are you that person who called me in the morning from Gujarat? Can you hear me? At least you can say hi, hello, something, because that way we cannot proceed. Hello?
I think his mic is mute.
Oh, no issues. Even I make that mistake sometimes. Yeah, you're the person who called me in the morning. Your name? Please introduce yourself. Muhammad Zahir.
Yeah, man.
Or
My name is Muhammad Zahir. My father name is Rajab. I'm from Afghanistan. Now I want to live in now I want to live in Gujarat state. I want to study my bachelor here. I want to improve my English speaking, but I know something about English, but not complete. I want to improve my English.
All right, all right. We all are here for this. We all six person are here to improve our English. So at the end of the session, at least you will learn something, which will help you out. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
yes. Okay.
Yes, I try to learn.
Very good. That's appreciated. That's the attitude we want basically to learn, and with patience. You have to be patient. All right. Okay. So before we start off, as I had taken a poll from all of you, basically you wanted applied grammar and what else? What else? What else? Daily conversation, correct? And what was the third option?
Yeah.
Any of you?
Like conversation.
Common error.
Common errors. So common errors and applied grammar goes hand in hand. ओके आप कॉमन एरर्स तभी करते हो जब आपकी अप्लाइड ग्रामर गलती मतलब अप्लाइड ग्रामर आपको पता नहीं होता. Now what is applied grammar? Okay, to remaining all of you, I'm using Hindi as well as English because some of the participants are comfortable with that. Okay, so whatever I will say in Hindi, I will repeat that same thing in English. Alright. So last question and a quick answer I want for this. Starting from Arush, why you want to learn spoken English? Why you want to improve? In one word.
Because I need to English because when I want to learn my bachelor here, and all of the teacher speak in English, and our lesson in English. I want to try to learn here, but I think it's necessary to me. It's necessary in my bachelor.
It's basically need of an hour. Means it's a global language to connect yourself with not only within the country, even outside the country. You need to learn English. Correct. Now, Arush,
Yeah.
why you want to learn English? Spoken English.
Uh,
Yes.
Ma'am, because I don't know. Ma'am, I can't speak English, and sometimes people call and talk in English, so I can't talk in English the same way they talk with me.
Okay. So you have used really nice sentence. You were stuck in between, but you said the thing in a really nice way. Okay. Now, Janvi, why you want to learn spoken English?
Hi.
Janvi.
Hello.
Yes. What is your purpose of learning spoken English?
Learning spoken English, it
Yes.
can help to get a job.
Correct.
It is a global language
Correct.
and it can help you to meet new people.
Absolutely right. And Sparsha, I guess the same reason with you.
English is a universal language, and it is mandatory not even in the workplace as well. Everywhere. If you meet a stranger, when you're not know the person's language, English will help you out. That's the reason.
So to communicate well, you want to learn spoken English. If I got you right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So today's session I'm keeping regarding grammar. We won't keep it too long as this is first. Maybe I will keep the next day session little longer and I will keep it on Sunday because that is my off day also. I will keep it on Sunday, maybe 1.5 hours, 2 hours, something like that. If I do not bore you, we will keep it for 2 hours long. Okay. So today's session will be about something about applied grammar. We are going to learn 10 to 11 rules, around 10 rules basically, which we often confuse. कुछ ऐसे ग्रामर के रूल्स होते हैं जो अब ग्रामर क्या है आपको ना पूरा ग्रामर रटना नहीं होता मग अप नहीं करना होता क्योंकि वो रट जाने से कोई फायदा नहीं देता पर बेसिक थोड़ा सा ग्रामर तो जानना जरूरी होता ही है अब आप उल्टा पुल्टा कहीं भी सब्जेक्ट वर्ब डालोगे तो that will not make a sense. So for that purpose we need to learn applied grammar. Now what is applied grammar? Applied basically word comes from application. उतना ग्रामर जो बोलने के लिए जरूरत होता है, एप्लीकेबल होता है बोलने के लिए, टू टॉक, उतना ही ग्रामर हम जानेंगे, उतना ही सीखेंगे. ज्यादा अपने दिमाग में फीड नहीं करना है. यू डू नॉट हैव टू ओवर फीड योर ब्रेन, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, we all crumble. Correct? So we are going to learn certain things about how to use the word did, how to use since and for, few and fewer, little things which you often confused with. All right. So my board is completely visible to all of you.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can somebody tell me how to use since and for? Since and for. If anybody knows, first let me see if anybody knows. My board is visible, whatever I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Ma'am, Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am teaching since 2 hours. Is this sentence correct?
Yes, this sentence is correct.
Correct. Arush is saying that this sentence is correct. Janvi, Sparsh and Zahin, I would like to know whether this sentence is correct, or do you find
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
okay? How come it's not correct? How come it's not correct? I will give you one more example. Then I will tell you the rule. Janvi, your voice is cracking.
Is used for number years.
Janvi, your voice was cracking. Will you please repeat yourself?
Hello.
Yes, will you repeat yourself? Your voice was cracking.
Ma'am, since is I know. Hello.
Yes, yes. Go on.
Ma'am, I know since is used for year.
Okay. What you will use with 2 a.m.? What you will use with 2 a.m.? Suppose I said that I am studying dash 2 a.m. What you will say? I am studying dash 2 a.m. Now you said that
From
Pakka?
no.
I will give you one thing. I will give you one thing to this. First, we will see these examples. This sentence is incorrect. This sentence is incorrect. And you will only tell me that why this sentence is incorrect. First, I have written that I am teaching since morning. Means today's morning. आज सुबह से मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. और यहाँ पे है I am teaching for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ा रही हूँ. अब मैंने सुबह के 2 घंटे पढ़ाए, शाम के 2 घंटे पढ़ाए या रात को 2 घंटे पढ़ाए. This is not confirmed here. Correct? So since का इस्तेमाल हम तब करते हैं जब हमें कोई पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बताना होता है. इसका एक ट्रिक भी है. Point of time, and this denotes period of time, or we can say duration. Now what's the meaning of duration? This is the time period, means 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 month, 4 months. ठीक है. It denotes the duration of time, यानी कि वो काम कितना दिन कितना लंबा चला. ठीक है. अब इसका एक ट्रिक है, आप सिंस और फॉर को कैसे याद रखोगे? कैलेंडर है घर में,
Yes.
घड़ी है घर में, सॉरी
Yes.
काटा हुआ है, घड़ी है घर में, कैलेंडर और घड़ी पे जो टाइम आप देख सकते हो उसमें आप सिंस का इस्तेमाल करोगे, ठीक है? What do we see on calendar? We see month, January.
Month.
We see
Day.
year, as Janvi said that we use it with year. Suppose 2002, we use it with year. On watch, what do we see? We see time, 12 noon, 8 p.m. So any time which can be seen on calendar, वहाँ पे हम since का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, ठीक है? और जो
Ma'am, time, month and year.
yes, time, month, year, morning, कैलेंडर पे आपका जो सब आ सकता है, मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, ठीक है?
Okay.
Now if you say that since today's morning, you can point it out on calendar. If I say yesterday's morning, यानी कि भाई साहब मतलब कल से मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, I'm teaching since yesterday's morning, कल की सुबह से पढ़ाई जा रही हूँ, ठीक है? And we can point out this day, means 27th of July on calendar, so it means we can use the word since, ठीक है? तो ये जो confuse हो जाते हैं ना,
Ma'am, since denotes the past numbers, no, ma'am?
yes, exactly, which has happened in the past, very correctly. One more point, since means past, activity which has done in the
Yes, ma'am.
past. Can I rub it? Now can you give me one example? Janvi, can you give me one example?
Yes.
One example with since. One example with since. Try to cram your head.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, please.
I'm studying MCOM from since 2019.
Perfectly, very good. And now, Arush, can you tell me why this sentence is wrong? Why we cannot use since?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I said that this sentence is incorrect. Now, why this is
Okay.
incorrect? Why we will
I
not
am teaching
use since?
since. Yes, ma'am.
Apply that trick. Apply that trick.
Okay.
Can you
I'm
put
teaching.
2 hours? Specific 2
I'm.
hours in watch. आप कोई भी,
I'm.
आप घड़ी पे, मैंने यहाँ बोला है 2 घंटा, तो घड़ी में कौन सा 2
Okay.
घंटा? 12 से 2 या 8 से 10 या 6 से 8? वो तो नहीं पता ना,
Okay.
कंफर्म नहीं है।
Mm,
तो चीज कंफर्म
Yes.
नहीं है, वहां पे हम सिंस का फॉर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं,
For.
ठीक है?
Okay. I'm teaching for 2 hours.
एक यस,
Okay.
एक सेंटेंस आप बनाने की कोशिश कर सकते हो।
Ma'am, what will be in the case of I am teaching from 2 hours? Is that incorrect, ma'am?
I am teaching for 2 hours. How come it's incorrect?
From 2 hours.
For 2 hours. Sorry, did he say from? आपने from बोला था क्या?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, misheard. I misheard it. It will be for.
Okay, ma'am.
एक सेंटेंस बना सकते हो आप, आरुष? आप ऑक्यूपेशन में आपकी बिजनेस है ना?
हाँ मैम.
Make a sentence related to your occupation. कि आप कब से ये बिजनेस कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, I'm doing business last 8 years.
Okay, तो अभी आप जब ये खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे, when you will introduce yourself, you will say it like this, that I am doing business since 8 years.
I'm doing business since 8 years. Okay.
मतलब कि पिछले 8 सालों से आप कर रहे हो.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट वन आता है इट्स या इट्स. Now both sounds, sorry, yes, sounds similar. Just a
Then
second.
the sentence is I am doing business since 8 years.
Sorry. Extremely sorry. For 8 years. 8 years we cannot point out on calendar. हम कौन से 8 साल की आप बात कर रहे हो मुझे नहीं पता. अब आप अगर ऐसे बोल रहे होते that I am doing business since 2008 तो वो कैलेंडर पे आ जाता. अटेंटिव है आरुष, अटेंटिव है. नाइस. Okay, I will request you all to rejoin because this will end now. Okay, we have a time limitation. Kindly join in again using the same link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.